In this video, we are going to talk about how you can get a professional business email at $1. So if you are looking for a professional email address for your company website and you are on a tight budget, then this video is for you. Now, when you have a business website, it's important to have a professional email address which you can share on maybe on your website or maybe on your business cards. So instead of having something mycompany@gmail.com, it looks very professional when you have an email ID like mail@companyname.com. So definitely a professional email address can add a good value to your brand name. And in this video, we are going to take a look at options that we have to get this professional email address at $1 or even below that. So let's start with the number one option, and that is Namecheap. And as the name suggests, this one is actually the cheapest option. Now, I personally use Namecheap for booking domains because they have a really good privacy policies, but they also have a hosting service and they also provide email service. And if you take a look at the plans that they have for this business email ID, they starts from $0.91 per month, and that's dirt cheap. And even if you add 2 email IDs, this will cost you around $1.65 per month, which is above $1 but still very cheap. So if you are looking for a professional email address and at a very budget price, this option is for you. At this, you will get one email box and with a 5 GB of space. Above all, you get a 2 months of free trial. So if in case you think that this service is not for you, you can go ahead and stop that after 2 months. But at this price, this one is no-brainer. Next in our list is Zoho Mail, the very own Indian company. Now, Zoho is not just an email service provider, they are a complete CRM solution for your business, but they also provide professional email address. And if you take a look at their plans, it starts from rupees 58.34, which is less than $1 again. And in this, you get 5 GB per user. And if you select 10 GB per user, then it will cost you 75 rupees, which is around $1 as the rate today is. So at $1, you will get 10 GB per user space, and along with that, you get various other options as well, like domain alias, email routing, stream collaboration tool, offline access, and a lot more. So you can go through all these features from their website. We will link that in the video description below, and they are providing a really good deal at $1. Now, next in our list is Inos. Now, this one also provides professional email at $1, and here you can also get a 30-day free trial. And their mail basic plan starts at $1, where you get 2 GB of space and approximately 10,000 emails. And the best part about this one is that you get a free domain as well, and it's an ad-free email box. Along with that, you get a great support from their customer support team. So these are the most popular email service provider that can help you get a complete business email ID at $1 and below that. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.